Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I have to start this episode out right away with apologies. Normally I say we got a great episode coming up. That may not be the case today. For Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to boil some ribs. Yeah, I said it. I got some lovely baby back ribs and I'm going to destroy them by boiling them. Yes, I know it's a crime against humanity, and I'm going to make my apologies in the beginning. To barbecue pit dog, Rob and Duke, I'm sorry. This is horrific. This is so bad, I'm even apologizing to the man's dog, Duke. Jesse over at Beer Barbecue Baseball, I'm sorry. Pit Smoke, Charlie, I am deeply and truly sorry. I'll start out with my excuses. So basically, growing up, my father boiled ribs. My only excuse is I'm from Canada. I don't want to speak for everyone, but a lot of people in Canada think barbecue is grilling. And of course, I know what good barbecue is. I've been to over 50 restaurants in Texas. I spent a week in Kansas City where I had barbecue 10 times. I ate barbecue so much that week, the only fruit and vegetable I had was the tomato-based barbecue sauce. So for that, I do know the difference. Basically, growing up in Canada, my grandmother boiled ribs and passed the recipe down to my father. He would boil ribs and they were absolutely horrific. I am so sorry. He would say they were fall off the bone, and they were, but it was like he boiled all the flavor out and it was mush. So barbecue pit dog, beer barbecue baseball, and pit smoke, I apologize. But guys, I will make it up to you. I'm going to go to the best barbecue restaurant in all of Calgary, Jane Bond Barbecue, and we'll do that before I do this desecration of my baby back ribs. We're going to get things started off with a Headhunter cocktail. It's an actual tiki drink. I didn't make it up. I'm not going to lie to you. It's probably not going to be that good either. It's a little freaky deaky. It involves papaya juice, coconut milk, and beer. But trust me, it's an actual tiki drink. So we'll get started on a Headhunter. I got a little ice for my cocktail shaker. And we're going to do the juice of a half lime. The juice of a half lemon. And 3 ounces of coconut milk. 1 ounce of papaya. And we'll go 2 ounces of Captain Morgan spiced rum, 3 ounces of orange juice. I can already see that coconut milk curdle. It doesn't look good. All right, we'll give that a shake into my hurricane glass. And then we're gonna finish it off with beer. Very unusual. And that is a Headhunter, an actual tiki drink. I don't believe it myself, but all right, so coming up next, we're going to go to Jane Bond Barbecue, the best barbecue in Calgary. This is the Jane Bond Barbecue. We got some mac and cheese, and this is coconut cornbread, and then an andouille sausage, and some brisket. Check out that smoke ring. That's some good barbecue. Coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake. There it is, sacrilege. It's just how I remembered it as a kid. You get that disgusting foam floating to the top. Yeah. I just want to pay homage to my grandmother's recipe. I will do my best to try to make it taste edible. I'm going to smother it in barbecue sauce, but again, in no way is this to be considered barbecue. My father cooked it till it was fall off the bone. Real barbecue, you don't want the meat to fall off the bone. You want some good bite and a nice smoke ring. So I'll boil it all the way through. We'll probably finish it up on the grill, and again, not barbecue. And then I'm just gonna smother it in barbecue sauce and hope for the best. Yeah, nothing like gray meat. Maybe if I overchar it, it might add a little bit of flavor. I got a little bit of rub on there. Guess as long as there's salt in there, that might help a bit. Alright, we finally got a little bit of color on it. That's promising. I got the barbecue sauce. I got some Diana sauce, specifically for chicken and ribs, or ribs and chicken. Alright. The grayness is gone. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. This is Badger. He's subbing in for Mookie. Don't worry, Mookie will be back next week. So I have my, I'll call them apologetic ribs. Not going to call them barbecue. So we need a drink to go with Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I have this is called a 3 dots and a dash. 3 dots and a dash is actually from the original Tiki bar, Dawn the Beachcombers. 3 dots and a dash was created during World War II by Dawn Beach. The name is Morse code for victory. 3 dots and a dash. So give that a try. Delicious, but we got to try these ribs, Badger. I don't know. We'll see if Badger will eat it first. Badger thinks they're a little tough. All right, we'll give it a try. So here it goes. Well, it's not award-winning barbecue. The sauce is nice. What do you think, Badge? Well, it's not gray, and I didn't cook it down to mush like my father used to, so that's a plus. Oh, careful, Badge. Alright, so that's my apologetic ribs to go with 3 dots and a dash. I'll put the recipe up for 3 dots and a dash. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Badger. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. I think that went well, Badger. No, you're not going to replace Mookie, though. No.